So here we are. This is our first time on board. We're actually allowed to go inside. We've been on board before, which you would have seen. This is our cockpit. Got a cockpit fridge. Let's put the beer in. There's our steps up to the helm station where we control the boat from. We do a quick trip up here. Up here, there's a lounge goes here, big enough for two people to lay in the sun. So let's go inside. Let's take our shoes off, get rid of my backpack. So it's not yet ready for delivery. So right now it's still under control of the factory, and you can see the blue dot here, and you would have seen the red dots as it was coming on, and that's all the things that need to get fixed up. So this is our saloon, this is our kitchen. We've got a fridge in there. Actually, that's a freezer. Got a fridge behind me. All these cushions you can see, they go outside. So these cushions here are for the lounge area I showed you up the top. This pile of cushions here, they go out the front, just in front of the windows there, between the windows and the trampoline. That's for laying out on the foredeck. There's a air conditioning unit. So let's have a quick look downstairs. This is our cabin. All these cushions are for out in the cockpit, I think. But that's our cabin. This is a little desk. This cupboard. I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for this. This is owner's bathroom, the toilet, and then just past the toilet is the rest of the bathroom, vanity, shower stall, quite a big shower, good size. Sitting underneath the bench here, washing machine, a lot of cupboard space scattered around. I don't think there's enough cupboard space for our clothes, but we'll sort that out. That's an air conditioning outlet. So if we go up here, we can have a quick look on the other side. This is the helm station. Have a quick look here. These are the controls for our electric engines, for the system, to turn the system on and off. This display here is for the electric engines, and then a chart plotter radio. This is the main guest cabin. It's functional. It's island bed. There's some cupboards, storage under the bed. It has its own bathroom with a separate shower stall. A bit smaller than the owner's, and it has to be. We can't have the visitors having bigger than what the owner has. And then going forward is a slightly smaller cabin, still a double bed, just a bit less space, but still a nice size. And it has its own toilet as well, but no shower stall. It's just the toilet, the basin. You can step in for the shower, and then this is on a hose. You pull that out and give yourself a shower. There's a little shower curtain. So a tiny bit less functional than the main guest cabin. We don't want it too comfortable. We want people to go home. And that's it. First look at our boat. We'll do a more detailed look when everything is in place and all of the other work is finished. So there's still quite a few things to do.